Good morning, everyone. It's our Friday assembly, and I'm going to start straight away with our stars of the week in Year 6. And our first one is for Mali. Mali has been an independent and determined alien this week. He has tried really hard in both maths and mini adventure, and he has demonstrated perseverance to complete all tasks well. Well done, Mali. And Jay. Jay has been an independent and determined alien this week. He has demonstrated great resilience in his maths work and has tried extremely hard with his writing. Well done, Jay. And lots of children have tried hard with their writing this week. I've had lots of children come and show me fabulous work, and some people getting their pen licenses, so that's really good. And Jake. Jake works really hard in every lesson, but his effort in mini adventure lessons has been fantastic. He has researched the Great Plague carefully and shown great resilience if he didn't quite get answers right first time. He's also really enjoyed sharing his knowledge about Guy Fawkes. A great week for a determined alien. Well done, Jake. And Olivia. Olivia is a very dedicated, determined and independent alien. She works so hard in every lesson and makes super progress because of this. Not only this, she supports her peers where she can and is always a good friend. Can't ask for more than that, Olivia. And Riley. In Year 3-4, Riley has been a really independent and expressive alien this week. He has been motivated with all of his learning and has persevered with the tricky concepts in maths. Riley has also been respectful by listening carefully in class and is always ready to learn. A great attitude to return to school with, Riley. Well done. That's really good, Riley. And Maisie. Maisie has returned to school with a great attitude to learning. She is always making good choices and being resilient with her learning. She is being reflective and thinks carefully about what she can do to make her work even better. Maisie is also going home and continue with her learning by practicing her spellings and times tables, which is really starting to show in class. Well done, Maisie. Glad to hear that you're doing some bits at home as well. And Jake. Jake is Star of the Week because he has been a determined Amington alien. He has persevered with his maths using arrays to calculate multiplication questions. Jake has also had an exceptional have-a-go attitude this week and has worked very hard with his adjective choices. Well done, Jake. And the other one from Mrs. Lawrence's class is Lexi. Lexi is Star of the Week because she has been an aspirational Amington alien. She has challenged herself with her writing and used amazing adjectives. She's also been motivated to use her French skills every day and impress everybody. I'd love to hear a bit of your French, Lexi. And Ellie. It's Billingham's class. Ellie has been an aspirational alien today. She's aiming high and working extremely hard. She's a great role model to her classmates and is extremely kind and caring. Keep it up, Ellie. And Beth. Beth has been an aspirational and expressive alien this week. When learning about Tamworth, she thought of great questions for a famous warrior. Beth has also aimed high this week. Her writing has come on loads and I can't wait to see this continue. Well done, Beth. Excuse me. And in reception, Jameson. Jameson has been a determined alien this week. He's been trying really hard and having a go at writing his name. In Read Write Ink, Jameson is recalling the phonemes that he has been taught and can now hear his initial sounds at the beginning of words. Well done, Jameson. That's fantastic. Excuse me. I was choking. And Noah. Noah has been an independent alien this week. He has been trying really hard to join in with some small group activities and to follow the class routines and instructions. And in Little Learners, we have got a certificate for Rogan. Rogan has been resilient. He's now really familiar with his daily routine and will have a go at the variety of activities that are available. Well done, Rogan. And Harry. Harry is making good choices. He's sitting with his friends at group time and listening well to the adult. Well done, Harry. Lots of fantastic Amington aliens out there. And I know that there's lots more because of the number of planet points people have been getting. So, our yellow team have 326 points. Red team have 339 points. Green team have 374 points. but that means the blue team are in the lead with 435 points. Well done, blue team. So that's it for this week. Now, I know that it was bonfire night last night, so I'm sure that some of you might be having some fireworks or sparklers in your gardens tonight. But please remember to stay safe, follow your firework code, and make sure that you come back to school on Monday all still in one piece, please. I look forward to seeing you then. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.